Alright, Kyle, this is Darren again. It is 9:53 a.m. and I am going to pick your box out based on the numbers you gave me. It was 1 for the case and 3 for the box. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Alright. Okay, here's one case and a bunch of peanuts in there. I'm going to make a mess with all those peanuts. Actually, I'll leave that case in there. You said 1 for the case, so the one on the top is the one. No sense in fighting with the other one. I'll leave it in there. And 3 for the box. So there we go. Alright, so I'll set them all out. One, two, and here comes number 3. Alright, there it is. Put these back in there. And there's your box. I'm excited, Kyle. Let's see what we get. There we go. Alright, see what we get. Good luck, Kyle. There's one thick one in there. Alright, the first one is going to be the J.J. Watt base. The Andy Dalton base. Alright. We have a red Demaryius Thomas, number 24 out of 25 for the Broncos. And we have a, let's see, the first auto is a redemption for Jordan Reed. It's an auto jumbo patch base. And following that, I can see the next auto, another low numbered 10 out of 25, Manti Te'o, the green and Inception Elements, number 10 out of 25. Right behind that is that's a thick card I saw. It's a Joseph Randall patch, numbered 76 out of 93. Right there are near the waistband is where you see the number. See if it'll focus. It's not focusing. Anyway, 76 out of 93. And the last one is Antonio Holmes, green base, numbered 113. Oh, that's sorry about that. 113 out of 199. So that is your box. Pretty neat. I'll go ahead and take a picture of it too, and post it on the site. Congratulations, Kyle. I appreciate it, and we will talk soon.